Fire is a powerful force that has been harnessed by humans for thousands of years. From cooking food to powering engines, fire has played a crucial role in our lives. But what exactly is fire, and how does it work? To understand the chemistry of fire, we need to look at the chemical reactions that occur when something burns. When we light a match and set something on fire, we are actually initiating a complex chemical reaction that releases energy in the form of heat and light. But fire can also be dangerous and destructive, as we have seen in countless wildfires and house fires. Understanding the chemistry of fire can help us prevent and control these disasters. In this video, we will explore the chemistry of fire, from the basic principles of combustion to the different types of flames and the role of oxygen in the process. So let's dive into the fascinating world of fire chemistry and learn how this powerful force works. At its core, fire is a chemical reaction called combustion. Combustion occurs when a fuel, such as wood or gasoline, reacts with oxygen in the air to produce heat and light. The chemical equation for combustion is simple: fuel plus oxygen equals carbon dioxide plus water plus heat. In a campfire, for example, the wood serves as the fuel, while the oxygen in the air is the oxidizer that allows the reaction to occur. In a laboratory setting, a Bunsen burner uses natural gas as the fuel and oxygen from the air to produce a flame. In a car engine, gasoline is the fuel that reacts with oxygen to produce the energy that powers the vehicle. Even in space, rockets use the fuel and oxidizer to produce the thrust needed to escape Earth's gravity. But combustion can also be dangerous, as we see in forest fires that spread out of control and cause widespread damage. Understanding the principles of combustion is crucial for preventing and controlling fires, as well as for harnessing the power of fire for our own purposes. Flames come in different shapes and sizes, depending on the type of fuel and the conditions of the combustion reaction. A blue flame, for example, is hotter than a yellow flame because it contains more oxygen and less fuel. A gas stove produces a blue flame because the natural gas is mixed with air before it is ignited. In a campfire, the flames are yellow because the wood is not getting enough oxygen to burn completely. A candle flame has three distinct zones: the blue inner cone, the yellow middle cone, and the outermost zone where the wax vaporizes and burns. A blowtorch produces a flame that is hot enough to melt metal, thanks to the combination of a fuel and an oxidizer. Fireworks produce different colors of flames by adding chemicals to the fuel mixture, which react with the heat to produce colorful light. Understanding the different types of flames is important for firefighters, who need to know how to control and extinguish fires of different intensities and fuel sources. By studying the chemistry of flames, we can also develop more efficient and environmentally friendly ways of using fire for energy and other applications. Oxygen is a crucial component of combustion, as it is the oxidizer that allows the fuel to burn. In the chemical equation for combustion, oxygen is represented as O2, which means two oxygen atoms are bonded together. When we blow out a candle, we are removing the oxygen from the flame, which causes it to go out. Fire extinguishers work by removing the oxygen from the fire, either by smothering it with a foam or powder or by displacing the oxygen with a gas like carbon dioxide. In a forest fire, the wind can cause the flames to spread rapidly by supplying them with more oxygen. But controlled burns, which are intentionally set to clear out underbrush and prevent larger fires, rely on carefully controlling the amount of oxygen available to the flames. In a laboratory setting, scientists can study the effects of different oxygen concentrations on combustion reactions to better understand how fire works. By understanding the role of oxygen in combustion, we can develop better strategies for preventing and controlling fires, as well as for using fire as a source of energy and heat. Fire is a powerful force that has shaped human history and continues to play a crucial role in our lives today. But fire can also be dangerous and destructive, as we have seen in countless wildfires and house fires. Understanding the chemistry of fire is essential for preventing and controlling fires, as well as for harnessing the power of fire for our own purposes. From generating electricity to cooking food, fire has countless applications in our modern world. But we must also be mindful of the environmental impact of using fire and work to develop more sustainable and responsible ways of harnessing its power. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of fire chemistry, let us remember the importance of respecting this powerful force and using it wisely. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the chemistry of fire.